Are you ready to meet some noisy, silly animals? Let's go on an adventure through the jungle, the farm, and the sea. Let's listen, move, and make your sounds too. In the jungle, deep and wide, let's meet the animals that like to hide. Or goes the lion, strong and loud. He's the king and he's so proud. Says the monkey in the tree. He swings and plays so happily. Kiss the snake so sly. He slithers quietly low and high. Hiss. Clap, clap, stomp the ground. Let's all make the animal sound. Move your body, jump around. It's animal fun with every sound. Down on the farm, what do we hear? Let's meet the animals far and near. Bull is the cow, big and sweet. She gives us milk and loves to eat. Goes the sheep with wool so white. She jumps in the field from left to right. Cluck goes the hen, she lays her egg. She runs around on her little legs. Cluck, cluck, clap, clap, stomp the ground. Let's all make the animal sound. Flap like a bird, roll like a hound. It's animal fun with every sound. Now let's dive beneath the sea to meet some creatures wild and free. Click, click goes the dolphin as she spins. She splashes and flips with happy grins. Click, click says the whale with a watery blow. He sings deep songs from down below. Snap goes the crab with his tiny claws. He walks sideways without a pause. Snap, snap, clap, dance around. Let's all make the animal sound. Stomp like a rhino, fly like a bee. Animal adventures, just you and me. One more time, let's make